Yo, what's good? Today is March 19th. I got a recap for the day. I didn't take any trades today because today was FOMC. So, yeah. So starting with the news, again, there was a JPY bank holiday, and then FOMC fund, economic and all this shit, right? And then yeah, 12 p.m. So I wasn't really looking to take a trade before that because price action was kind of slow today. Anyways, so I was just looking at GU because why not? So on the 4 hour we were bearish, but prior to New York session open, which was this candle here, it didn't get a closure below. So I was looking for buys off of for EU. 1 hour was bearish, however, so if I were to take a trade, probably would have de-risked on that. So we had Asian lows up here. Asian lows were down here, but they were pretty much like the same areas, kind of like the London lows. So then London highs were up here, and then London lows down here. 5 minute price opened at the London high, so was potentially looking for a move up and then a retracement to here and then a break of structure to the upside. However, that did not happen. Price came down into the London low. We're looking for a break of structure. Never really got that. Price just consolidated hella and then moved down, taking out the Asian lows and then making a reaction off of that. This was the FOMC candle, probably, yeah. But yeah, nothing really to see on Euro USD. Some emotions I felt. Didn't really feel anything. When I saw this big sell-off, I was like, yo, should I enter short off of this? And I was like, nope. But yeah, so on GBP USD, 4 hour was bullish prior to session open. Yeah. Closure above this high. These were like no really breaker structures. On the 1 hour, 1 hour was bearish, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. 1 hour was bearish to the downside with this closure below. No closure above, so still bearish on the 1 hour. So on the 30 minute, there were these were the Asian highs up here. Asian lows were like right here, same as London kind of. So yeah, so London lows are here, London highs up here. Price opened like right at the London high, I believe. Yeah, similar to EU, price opened at the London high. Big sell off to the downside. When I saw this, kind of felt like missing out, but like at the same time today was FOMC, so not really good to a trade. Price came down, took out the London lows, took out the absolute low, and then broke structure to the upside with this candle. However, this was like not really a good break of structure. I would say like not this one, move up and move down. This one right here was the kind of break of structure, and it was barely a closure, so I wasn't looking for that. So I was ideally looking for like a 1 minute closure, 1 minute break of structure after a confluence or something. And I saw like equilibrium kind of get like, not really, but like kind of got hit, but not really ideal with this low, and then this high up here came up, pushed into it, didn't get a clear break of structure until like way later with this one here, but this was like not really off of equilibrium. I just entered off of a 5 minute break of structure. So yeah, there was a more prominent break of structure with this closure above. If there was no FMC, probably would have been a good trade to take. Yeah, enter right here, stops below this low here, and then take profit. Could have been like this fair value gap, and then this high, and then next ones could have just been at the Asian highs, but never really got to it. Take profit one would have gone hit way later, and then right after that, big sell off to the downside, and then when news came out, came all the way up, took out the Asian highs, and yeah, just consolidating around there. So I mean, this is not really a trade I would want to take because FOMC, and like this could have just gone the other way too, right? So yeah, and then GBP JPY, 4 hour was bullish prior to New York session open. Price was bullish, didn't break structure to the downside. 1 hour was bullish as well. So yeah, not really anything to work off of. Price opened up here, came down, didn't really give anything to work off of, so wasn't really looking at this was at the bottom. Price never really came down here, had a big move up, and then a perfect reaction, like almost perfect, like literally perfect reaction off of the highs. Moved down, breaker structure to the downside. Maybe could have caught that, but that's really against the bias. But price has really just switched direction here. Came back down to take out all of these lows, like liquidity kind of. So yeah, what could I have done better? I mean, I'm pretty happy that I didn't trade today because today was FOMC. I was definitely getting feelings of like missing out when looking at the charts, but then I just realized like, yo, as long as the market moves, there are more opportunities to come. As long as the prices are not decided on, price will keep on moving, and there's always another day to trade, right? So I shouldn't get focused on one day. And then I also realized like all I gotta do is literally follow my plan. It's that simple, bro. Like if I just follow my plan, that's basically all I have to do. And the purpose of a plan, right, is to limit the amount of trades you take, right? Like, isn't that mind blowing? The purpose of a plan is to limit the amount of trades going. Like, I don't know why I didn't understand that before. I was just forcing trades out of thin air for no reason because I thought one, the markets weren't going to be there tomorrow. I mean, I like as if the markets were not going to be there tomorrow, and then two, only this time I don't have to follow my plan. But yo, all I have to do is just follow the freaking plan because the plan is what reduces the number of trades you take, right? Like mind blowing. It's literally common sense, bro. Like I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier, but yeah. Tomorrow is quite a bit of news as well, so not really sure. Maybe at 7ish, but ideally not before 6:30. Just to see if there's a big move. There's unemployment claims tomorrow, which is not that nice. So yeah, not sure. Friday, I don't think there's any news. So Friday would be a decent day. Tomorrow maybe after 7, but that's it. Didn't take any trades today. Down 3%. Not the worst, but I really want to pass this, and yeah, I don't know. Goodbye.